welcome to ProfitSee's support portal. My name is Sam, and today we'll be going through the three-way cash flow forecast. The three-way cash flow forecast is about measuring true liquidity and understanding where the business is going so that you can manage cash flow and reduce the risk in decisions your clients make. This is the type of statement that banks will use to assess the viability of companies to understand whether or not they should be lending them money. It's a lot of very hard and time-consuming work to get this data pulled together and in order to build this type of projection. We make it easy by starting with your budget as the first point, and then what we do is weight that using all of the data from your aging payables and receivables so that we understand, based on past performance, when you actually get paid and when you actually make your payments. It's a running cumulative forecast that projects 3 years into the future starting from next month. We display and combine your net income, your balance sheet projection, and your cash on hand to forecast cash flow. Normally, you will find one of two things when you look at this forecast. The first being that the business is making lots of money and can start to look at different opportunities to invest to increase the value of their business. This will enable you to have conversations with the business owner around strategies that will provide growth, profitability, and any other things that they can do with their surplus funds. If the business is in a not so healthy state, you will see that they are running out of money or into cash flow problems. This will prompt you to start having conversations with the business owner to look at some of the drivers for their performance. This could be things like they don't understand their cost of goods sold, or they're not very good at collecting money for the business they've done. Depending on what you see, we give you the option to model out different scenarios by clicking Manage Strategy. This gives you the ability to model out these changes to the business, such as, what's it going to look like if we get a loan? What is it going to look like if we are expecting an increase or decrease in monthly revenue? If I modify the monthly expenses, what effect will that have on the business? What happens if the business owner wants to put more money in, or they are attracting outside investment? What if we were to make some adjustments to our aging payables and receivables? What about sales tax assumptions? Lastly, you have the ability to see what it looks like if you proceed with specific business strategies through our what-if scenarios. After you have included the details of any upcoming business strategies, you can see the effects below the line to see how that changes the cash position and also compare this against the baseline performance. The power of building a three-way cash flow forecast is the ability to understand where you're going. Once you understand where you're going, the next step is taking into account what's that going to look like if I make changes? How is that going to impact the business long term? Am I ensuring the future success of the business? With ProfitSee's three-way cash flow forecast, you can now answer these questions. This is a powerful tool for you to be able to project forward and work with your business clients to put strategies in place that ensure the future success of their business. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager or contact us at support@myprofitsee.com.